you all to see lecture. In this video, we'll discuss on virtual lab on open circuit characteristics of DC shunt generator under virtual lab developed by MHRD Government of India initiative, and especially this experiment is developed by IIT Roorkee. So now we will move on to the experiment. Simply go simply in virtual lab we move on to electrical engineering. Under electrical engineering we have different link. So our experiment open circuit characteristics or magnetization characteristics developed by IIT Roorkee. So simply click IIT Roorkee. Loading. Click on list of experiment. So we have list of experiment. So our experiment, that is open circuit characteristics, is same as that of magnetization characteristics of DC shunt generator. Simply click this one. Other name of open circuit characteristics is magnetization characteristics. So the aim of this experiment is to study the magnetization or open circuit characteristics of DC generator and draw the graph between armature voltage and field current. So simply click on simulation. So here we know the procedure corresponding virtual lab given in POP-lab, and for simulation we simply click on click here to go to simulation page. So we will take procedure. So these are the procedure is given. So by connecting all the terminal, so we get the like this, and if connection is wrong, any terminal we wrongly connected means simply reset, click on reset button, and then again we will do the connection. So if check for correction, if it is correct, then simply we click on the on power supply is on. Then we will take by varying the rheostat. So here this rheostat is field rheostat. By varying this rheostat we can get the corresponding generator voltage V from this voltmeter, and we need to take multiple reading corresponding to different field current. That values are tabulated. Finally we can plot the graph. So now we will go to the experiment. So this is the component given. So now we need to connect the terminals. One minute. So simply click on this, we will get the procedure. So how to connect. So now we will connect as per the procedure. So plus is connected to directly the line L, and negative is connected to restart terminal 1, and again negative is terminal connected to A2 and F2, A2 and F2, and then A is starter terminal A is connected to motor A1, this is the A1 terminal, and F is directly connected to restart terminal 2, and again the terminal of 1 of restart is connected to F1. Then voltmeter is connected across the terminal of generator armature terminal, that is across A3 and A4, and field is connected in series with this field winding, that is connected to F1 and F2. So this is the connection corresponding to this experiment. Now simply check, so correct connection. So we will simply on the supply. So now we will take multiple reading corresponding to different value of field current. By varying this rheostat, field current get vary. So now the field current is 0. So now by varying this, so first value is 0.16. So we got generated voltage 115. Simply add to table, the value is added. So again we will increase the rheostat position, vary the, so for 18, so we got 220 volt. So like that, for a different value of field current, we need to take the reading. 0.22 we get 131, 0.23 we get 133, 0.24 we get 135, 0.28 we get 138, 0.3 we get 142, 'So this is the maximum rating corresponding to given generator. For 0.3 we get 142, that is the maximum value. So now we need to plot the graph. By simply click on this one, plot the graph, then we get the OCC or magnetization characteristics for the DC sun generator. Suppose we need to take print for this experiment, means simply click on this, we will get the total experiment circuit diagram, tabulation and graph in single PDF. So this is the answer corresponding to given experiment. So now the next experiment will be on load characteristics of DC sun generator. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you.